Hello third grade and welcome to our math skill for today. We're going to start with our problem solving, but before we do that, I want to let you know that we will be using more of our books. So we'll be practicing taking a photograph of our papers and then uploading it onto ClassKick. So make sure that you have pencils ready every single day and you have your workbook with you. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see this. So in our next couple of lessons, we will be using volume 2. So make sure you have your volume 2. If you do not have this or never got it, please make sure that your parents message me so we can get you one, because this will be required. We'll be practicing more of our writing, and it will not be on ClassKick all the time. So we're going to start on page 571. And we are on topic 11, it says at the top. You can go ahead and turn the next page. And we are going to go ahead and get started on this very first page right here. On page 573. As I'm going through, please make sure that you follow along in your book. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to grab my pencil so I'm ready to go. And start by reading at the top. Jen buys a backpack and a sleeping bag. She gets $10 off if the total is more than $200. What is the final cost of Jen's order? Complete the bar diagram below. Then draw another diagram to solve the problem. So right here we have a chart. Now in a chart like this, it gives us data. So we call this a data table. We'll be learning more about these in following lessons. Now they also gave us a diagram down here that shows the cost of the backpack and the cost of a sleeping bag. We're going to have to find out if that is more than $200 and if we get that $10 off. Let me underline the question first. What is the final cost of Jen's order? I'll circle my important numbers. And there are two operations we're going to have to do because we are doing two-step word problems using addition and subtraction. So the first step move you down a little bit. I need to figure out how much those two items would cost. We have a backpack and a sleeping bag. So I'll go ahead and circle those inside my data table. And I need to add them together to see what the total will be. So my backpack costs $89. And my grill, the sleeping bag costs $128. Now I'm going to line up my ones, tens, hundreds, and my dollar signs before I add. Let's go ahead and add. 9 plus 8 is 17. Drop the ones, carry the tens. 2 plus 8 is 10, plus 1 more. That's 11. Drop the ones, carry the tens. 1 plus 1 plus nothing is 2. And then I'm going to drop down my dollar sign. Now in our word problem it said that she gets $10 off if the total is more than $200. My total is more than $200. So now I can do my second step. So now I need to take off $10. I'm starting with 217. Then I need to take off, that means I need to subtract $10. 7 minus nothing is 7. 1 minus 1 is 0, and 2 minus nothing is 2. My total, after I take off the $10, is $207. Please make sure that you have this written out. You will take a screenshot and add it onto ClassKick. Instead of screenshotting, you can click on the camera tool on ClassKick, take a picture, and it will upload automatically. I will see you in the next video.